It's Friday. And I decided I'm going to vlog my day. I got my coffee and half of it is not even coffee though. What the hell? Oh, you see my little ice cubes? It's too early for me and it's only like 7:30. You know, my voice sounds like a 12-year-old girl. But, I mean, not even a 12-year-old girl, like a 9-year-old girl. So, not really appreciative of that because my voice actually doesn't sound like that. So, yeah, I'm actually 15. I'm turning 16, so yeah, different concept now, isn't it? Hello, you. What's she doing now? Hello, kids. What's wrong? Oh my god, Holly's staring at me. Hi. I fixed it. Oh. I had that song stuck in my head. You know that song? The classroom is locked. Oh no. I had coffee this morning and I'm very excited, so yeah, coffee.
Okay, so you're high.
I'll see you in drama, guys, okay? Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, we're very close together. Okay, we're wet.
Ebony, the lights come on, we're revealed to be soaking wet. What was that?
I don't know. Back in drama. We're playing, what do you want to call it? Something. Lily's in the lead. Yes, Taylor. Look at that concentration. Oh, she got caught. My birthday. It's my birthday. I'm the Globgo Gab Glab. It's my birthday. I'm the Globgo Gab Glab. I'm the Globgo.
Oh my god,
Gab
you're actually
Glab.
singing it.
I'm making a song. I'm gonna put the backtrack of it and not get copyright.
What's in mine?
Sing with me.
I don't know the lyrics.
Do you know the start of it where he says about the basement and the thing?
And this basement is a true treasure trove.
I love books.
I love how he says it. I just watch it and it makes me super uncomfortable.
I love books.
I watched a version
this
and
basement-
someone animated him into like a cute little anime girl. And I was like, it was just the scariest thing. Yeah.
I saw that one too.
It was funny though.
I watched the XXXTentacion one. That was hilarious. She had like a little head, little hair, and she's like, "I am the Glibgo Gab Galab.
Get that.
I am the yeast of thoughts and minds."
If he's gonna wear that pink suit, he's gonna have the right booty for it.
Go to the gym.
It's called the internet. Me and Michael were searching up in math, and the teachers looked at us and were like,
How much is it?
prepared, miss.
I'd be so proud of you if you guys would come in a pink suit or a dress.
I'm gonna come in pink dress and we can match.
You know, you don't have to come to the school the next day. Well, you do, but no one does.
I'm probably gonna make me so.
I'm gonna have to.
I know, 'cause your friends will make you. But that's a good excuse. Just say you went out too late. You
I
got
drank too
drunk,
much, and
then
I'm sorry, you're planning to get drunk on the formal?
I had a walk of shame.
Never been ever in my life. The end.
Jasmine, no.
I don't think we're allowed to bring alcohol, but
Jasmine,
okay.
I'll know, and, like,
Responsible parent and give drivers.
With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Really? The last one. You know, you used to have someone else.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a
I am the Globgo Gab Galab. I am the yeast of thoughts and minds.
And this basement is a true treasure trove.
I love books. That's enough vlogging of recess and scene.